Hello everyone, as I said in the last video, I've got this phone holder, that works pretty well, but with the length of time that I'm going to be recording for these 3D prints, I'm going to have to use an external battery charger, so then I can loop it to my phone, but I need something to hold it on with, so it could be there or there. I've got a faint idea of what I would like to do, so let's get to it. So this is what I've come up with. So it will be the same shape as that going down there, and then I'll just change it so it's got holes there and there, and it's got a framework on the front that I can then just slot it into there. So now let's cap that up. So here you can see my battery holder. It's got two little tabs on the base so then it can actually hold the battery in. It's got the front plate, and then it doesn't have a back plate on it, so it means it does squish a bit, but for holding a little battery it's not detrimental to it. So if I hold it like it was meant to be held, because it doesn't have those bits stuck out like that, it doesn't have anything to rest on, so it means it just flops around a bit. So I'm just going to take those little brackets off and see how that looks. There we go, that's much better there. So that can scooch along to wherever you need it. Probably wouldn't do that too much because it's got screws resting on the plastic. The 3D printer, when it goes across, doesn't collide with that or the original one that I did in the last episode, so that's always good. I've got my little battery charger here, so you can plonk that in and charge the phone while it's recording. So I'll hopefully be using this quite a lot in the future. So as you can see in this video, I have used this already, but it was for quite short prints, so it didn't require the big battery. So if you join me in future videos, thank you for watching.